In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function in Google Sheets. The if function is a powerful tool that allows you to make decisions in your spreadsheets by providing different outcomes based on the conditions you set. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking a project, or simply analyzing data, understanding how to use the if function effectively can greatly enhance your productivity and insights. So let's get started. First, open up a Google Sheet where you want to apply the if function. You can either access this from your Google Drive or go to the Sheets homepage and create a new document. Once your sheet is ready, we're going to focus on using a specific cell, so let's navigate to cell E1 by clicking on it. With cell E1 selected, the next step is to input the if function. In E1, type the formula equals if, followed by an open parenthesis, then D2 is greater than or equal to C2, true, comma, false, and a closing parenthesis. Your formula should look like this. Plus if D2 or C2, true, false. What this formula does is compare the values in cells D2 and C2. If the value in D2 is greater than or equal to that in C2, it returns true. Otherwise, it gives you false. This straightforward condition is very useful when you want to evaluate two or more values to determine if they meet a certain threshold or condition. After you've entered the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. By doing this, Google Sheets will calculate the condition you entered and immediately show you the result in cell E1 based on the data in D2 and C2. If you see true or false in E1, you're on the right track. Now, let's talk about efficiency. If you want to apply this same logic to multiple rows without having to type or paste the formula repeatedly, there's a great feature you can use: autofill. Hover over the small blue square at the bottom right corner of cell E1. Once you see the cursor change into a large plus sign, click and drag the square downwards across the rows you want to apply the formula to. For example, from E1 all the way to E10. When you let go, Google Sheets will automatically adapt and apply the formula to each row. This saves a lot of time and ensures accuracy across your data range. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively use the if function in Google Sheets. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with using these types of functions to manage and analyze your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.